Who's calling me? I don't feel like talking, man. People have to stop taking it so personally when they call someone and someone doesn't answer their call. Like, just because you call someone doesn't mean someone is obligated to answer your phone call. Like, who pays my cell phone bill? Me or you? Like, sometimes I just don't be mentally beat to talk to people. I don't want to talk on the phone. I don't want to answer text messages. And people love to be like, oh, I called you or I text you. I know, I have caller ID and my messages let me know who texted me. I don't want to speak to you right now. And that's fine. Just like if I call someone or if I text someone and I don't get a response, I'm not going to sit there and call them for the second time like, yo, what's up? I called you. Why didn't you answer me? Or text them like, oh, I text you. What? You ignore me? Like, no. Some people just want to have mental days where they don't want anything to do with their phone, and that's okay because a lot of the times people don't realize how negative they are. And because they're negative, they think that, okay, I need to vent, and there's nothing wrong with venting. But when you're negative all the time, when you call someone, that can take a toll on the person that you're venting to. Especially like me, I'm someone who's working on being more positive and exuberating positive energy. So when I know someone who's just calling me all the time, who wants to be negative, I will screen the fuck out of your calls. Like, I will watch you call me. I will be sitting here like watching Netflix, look at my phone, and I'm gonna do what I want to do. I don't have to answer to you because I don't want to, because I'm not mentally prepared to deal with you. So if you don't want to answer someone's phone call, don't feel obligated to do so. You don't have to answer anyone's phone call. And if you're the type of person to go text someone like, oh, you didn't answer me, well, reevaluate yourself. Reevaluate yourself, because a lot of y'all motherfuckers is negative and people are not obligated to answer their phones when they pay their own bill. Now, if somebody calling me who's paying my bill, I'll answer you all the time. But nobody pays my cell phone bill, so I don't have to answer to no one. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And guys, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.